today we have brioche. It's a new thing I didn't have before, so I was thinking to show you here. It's something French that we do with chocolate inside. And I'm going to show you here one. I can take that one here. So you see when you open there, everything comes. So this is one of the best pastry we have here, and it's totally French and it's made by a French baker. And sometimes I do myself. The cafe is still open now, and I wanted to show you the brioche. Again, so here you see how it looks there, and with the nice chocolate inside. Very simple to do, except when it grows and how you make the ball inside. So how can I say? It's a little hard to make them in balls like that, but when you understand how it works, when you understand how it has to grow, it's very easy. Hi guys, so today is going to be a very short video because we just worked the whole day. We were very busy, and everything went super good with customers and also with us in the kitchen, so that was a very positive day. We started the day pretty early at 7 o'clock, so if you want to know which kind of things we start with, we started to make bread very early because it has to grow. So I made a very easy bread called focaccia. It's easy, but you just have to succeed with the how do you say, yeast process, Then we were making, because I have a small team with me, so we started to make cakes until 9 o'clock, so like 7:30, 9 o'clock. And from 9 until 11 we fixed the brunch, which was the menu we had today, with some very good salmon fillet, with some good chicken meatballs. And I made kind of gratin. I don't know how you say in English, but in Swedish, French, we say gratin. And then we also made, make something very easy and simple. I should have show you, but it's, when you put carrots, root beets, and potatoes in the oven with some olive oil. I always put some rosemary in, because I think it goes very well with that. Some big salt, and you put that for about 30-40 minutes, 170-80 degrees, and that's really good, And we had some salad on the side. I made tarte flambée. It's a French pizza, so I made it pretty fast, and plus the bread and a good soup. And that was our brunch today, and I think it was pretty good, and it was appreciated by our customers. And on the side, we did something was pretty tricky. We did the whole menu actually. So we did also salad, we did sandwiches, and we had this famous galette, food pancakes that everybody wants to eat them. So we got really much to do. It was, like I said, very full today, but it went fine. When I think about the day, it went fine. And what you saw at the beginning of this video was brioche, and that's one of the best thing we do here. To be honest, I'm not the one to make that. I made sometimes, but I'm not the main baker of brioche. It's someone called Jean-Pierre that I'm gonna present you or show you some days. And he's a baker, so it's little like a bread process to make it, but it's so easy to fail on that. So I'm such happy that someone like that can help us with his experience. And we put some chocolate inside, so you saw it was a sweet thing, and that's really amazing. The taste is amazing, and it always has this how do you call that, this taste, you know, pretty far away, but I always feel it like a beer taste who comes from the yeast, you know. That's so cool, so cool. It's only one day baking, so tomorrow I have to do it again, but that was really nice to make it, because it has been time pretty long since we did last time, probably like 6-8 months, so that was very cool to do. Tomorrow is approx the same day, except that we're not gonna do the whole menu during the day. I'm gonna start this famous food pancakes galette from 3 o'clock. I know some people will be disappointed because they come here especially for that, but I wrote everything on the website to be clear and to avoid this kind of situation. But I'm really thinking right now how to organize it, because so many people come to our place to eat these galettes, and when I refuse to serve them, not because I want, you understood, but because of organization, because it's hard in my small kitchen to do properly the job. I mean, the job is done properly, but it's harder to go fast with it, because it takes time to make each galette. So I don't know, I really need to think about that. Like I said to you, organization is my biggest issue right now. Everything goes well, but I know I need to improve the organization. I need to improve a lot of I need to do a lot of touch up actually on each parts. I need to adjust like small things on everything, and I'm sure it's gonna work fantastic. So tomorrow we're gonna do basically the same, and next week I really hope that I can organize properly and continue to write the book, because I really would like to release it before the summer. Why? Because before the summer, because during the summer it's impossible, and after it's also impossible, because during the summer we have too much work. We are working every day, and after the summer we are so too tired to do an extra project. So that's really my goal right now. We'll see how it goes, but I'm sure it's gonna be it's gonna go well. By the way, I just forgot to tell you that my work wasn't over tonight, because it's 10:15 or 16, and I had some brioche in the small oven here. So I'm gonna take them now. It's bread for tomorrow for the brunch. So you really see another dark side of this work. We wake up early and go to bed early, but it's worth it. It smells good and it's good. Here we are, brioche. So it was a brioche day.